Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Canoscan Lide 110 printer drivers on your Windows 11 PC or laptop in 2026. So first of all, you need to open your web browser on your PC or on your laptop. Over here in the search bar, you just have to simply search for Canoscan Lide 110 drivers. So when you search for it, you just have to hit enter. Now you are going to see a bunch of different links from the official website of Canon. You can click on any of these links. Just make sure that it contains the Canoscan Lide 110. So here, as you can see, I have two links opened in front of me. So this was the first link that I've opened. Now you just have to scroll down here on this particular page. Make sure that the drivers option is selected here. After that, in the operating system, you can click on this drop down menu. Then from the list, you can simply select your operating system. In my case, I want to download it for Windows 11, so that's why I've selected it. Now simply select your language. So I've selected English here. Now simply just scroll down a bit and look for the download option. When you are able to see the download option, simply click on that and the software will be installed on your device very easily. Now this was the second option that I've opened. So here too you will find the Canoscan Lide 110. So in the drivers and the softwares section, make sure that your Windows 11 is selected here. You can also select Windows 10 if you are using those operating systems. Now it is showing you that there is no driver for the OS version that you have selected. The driver may be included in your operating system, or you may not need a driver. So here if I select the different operating system, as you can see, it has given you the link here. So when you click on it, you will find the download option over here. So click on the option of download and click on the option of save. Now the driver is in your device. You can double click on it and install it on your PC or on your laptop. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.